Okay, first bottle is going to be the shredded paper. We need a bottle and some green paper. Charlotte, can you help me?
Yes.
To rip some paper. Grass. Next bottle is the river. Can you help me, Charlotte?
Yeah.
Some water. Ooh. More. A bit more. Yes, good. Some oil. Oil. Maybe a bit more. Finished. Some blue coloring. Few drops. Oops.
Wow.
More.
Oops.
Oh, it's getting blue.
Yeah, let's see.
And now some blue glitter. Shake, shake, shake. Wow. A bit more. And stop. Let's close the lid. And let's shake it. Shake, 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 shake. River.
Okay.
Next bottle is gonna be the mud. We need some soil. Ready? Oh, what a mess. Charlotte, can you help me? And now some water. Just a little bit. Close the lid. And shake. Mud. It's ready. Next one, it's going to be the forest. We need some twigs and some leaves. Oh. Fun. Oh no, it's too big. Yes.
This.
some grass, twigs and leaves. Pop it in, close the lid. Forest.
Do it.
Last bottle, we need some cotton and some rice. Snowstorm.
So then we go.
First bottle is grass, the river, the mud, the forest, and the snowstorm. Now you're ready to tell the story. We're going on a bear hunt. Bye.